Hello, this is Miss Landau. Today we're going to learn about long division. The standard we're working on today is find whole number quotients of whole numbers with up to 4-digit dividends and 2-digit divisors, using strategies based on place value, the properties of operations, and/or the relationship between multiplication and division. How can I use long division to divide numbers?
Activate your knowledge. What is division? What does 32 divided by 4 mean? What ways do you already know how to solve division problems? Well, we know that division means you're splitting up one number into many groups. 32 divided by 4 means 32 into 4 equal groups. There are 4 corners on this screen, so I'm going to go ahead and use the 4 corners as my 4 groups and see how many would be in each group if we had 32 altogether into 4 equal groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. And I was keeping track so that I knew each group was equal. So I had exactly enough to make 4 equal groups. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in a group. So I know that 32 divided by 4 is 8 because 32 into 4 equal groups is 8. Think about other ways you know how to solve division problems. Now we're going to practice long division. Long division is another way to solve division problems. When I do long division, for the first one, 350 divided by 2, I'm going to start by seeing how many times 2 will go into 3. 2 will go into 3 one time. Then I multiply 1 by 2, and I get 2. I subtract 3 minus 2, and I get 1. Then I bring down this 5. 2 goes into 15 7 times, because 7 times 2 is 14. When I subtract, I get 1. I bring down my 0. 2 goes into 10 5 times. 5 times 2 is 10. And when I subtract, I get 0. So 350 into 2 groups would be 175 in each group. Let's try the next one. 11 can't go into 3. So we'll look into 37 instead. 37 divided by 11. Well, I know that 11 times 3 is 33. I couldn't fit 4 because that would be 44 and that would be too big. When I subtract 33 from 37, I end up with 4. I bring down this 4, and 11 goes into 44 4 times. Now I subtract this to make sure that I have 0 as a remainder, and I do. So 374 divided by 11 is 34. Last one. 222 divided by 6. 6 cannot go into 2, but 6 can go into 22. Well, I know that 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 4 is 24. That's too big. So I know that it goes in 3 times without going over. and I subtract 18 from 22. I can't do 2 minus 8, so I'll have to borrow from here. 12 minus 8 is 4, and I bring down this 2. 1 minus 1 was 0. 6 into 42. Well, I can do 6 times, I know 6 times 9 would be too big. 6 times 8 would be too big. 6 times 7 is 35. Just kidding. 6 times 7, did you catch my mistake? 6 times 7 is not 35. 6 times 7 is 42. So I had 42 here when I subtracted, and now I have 6 times 7 is 42, and it actually fits perfectly. 42 minus 42 equals 0. So 222 divided by 6 equals 37. Now it's your turn. Please screenshot and show your work to divide these 3 numbers. Look forward to seeing your work. Have fun!